Hello everyone, Zane here, and today we'll show you how to send money using Sendwave. Now the first thing that you should do is to simply go and open App Store or Google Play and download the application. So after downloading the application, it will ask you to sign up. You can continue by using your Google account or simply click on sign up. You'll just have to fill in some information about you, including the name, email address, phone number, and the password. And down below here, it will ask you where are you sending money to. So you have to choose the country like this. And after that, you'll have to provide your phone number and they will send you a verification code. So just verify your phone. And now you will be able to send money. Now, in some cases, they may ask for identity verification. So you'll have to verify your identity. So here on the top, as you can see, I have identity confirmed. If you want to confirm your identity, you just have to click on this button. And on the top, you will find an option saying identity confirmation. You just have to confirm it, then it will show here this page. So simply I will go and click on this button. Then here it will show me where do I want to send money to. I'll simply click on this option, this button right here. Then choose the country, the payout method, and be careful, the payout method will differ from a country to another. So these details, including the first name, mobile number, and so on, they may not be the same for every country. So you just have to fill in the gaps, choose the payout method. So here, as you can see in Philippines, the payout method is different. After that, you'll have to enter the amount of money. And here it will show you how much money will the recipient get. After that, you'll have to enter your debit card or credit card details and more info about yourself, including the address. And now once you finish, it will show you here a review for your transaction. Just make sure that all things are right, then click on confirm transfer. You'll need to type your password. After that, click on confirm transfer and you're all done. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up and goodbye.